right, so you got the safety brief on the ground?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions on the safety brief?
No, sir.
Awesome, awesome. Well, let's go do it, buddy. Let's go have some fun. All right, lights are out, gauge is green, fuel looks good, clear up and right.
Cabin weapon secure, left and upper clear, sir.
Roger, coming up.
Not too bad. That's fucking awesome, man. South Kingston's clear, sir.
Roger, South Kingston is clear.
Holy shit, dude. Hell yeah, dude.
Alright, dude, we're going to take the 5 north to the 405. After we get off at the 405, one vehicle northbound parked right there. We're going to go up to the 9155 interchange, and we're going to head up to Costa Mesa. Sound good?
Yep. And the rest of North Kingston is clear, sir?
Roger, the rest of North is clear. You are clear to load.
Yeah, roger that. All right, give me 1 second real quick,
So
sir.
just hang tight real quick. James is going to get the weapon all set up for you. Once he's ready, he's going to have him move out and into position.
And weapon is hot, sir.
Roger, weapon is hot. Wash is clear. Your shooter.
Roger that, my shooter. All right, sir, left leg out on that platform there. Right hand on the pistol grip. All right, just like that. There's your target, sir. Go ahead, nice long squeeze on that trigger. Nice, dude. There we go. Push right,
Shift right, shift right, down low.
Right there in the corner. Hell yeah, dude.
Awesome.
Targets on the right hand side. Oh,
That triggered.
nope, that's 200 rounds right there.
Wow.
Would you like to purchase another 100?
Good, man.
That's fucking awesome, dude. Hey, weapon is clear, sir.
Roger, weapon is clear. Good shooting, my good man.
That's fucking awesome, man. That would have fucking...
Cabinet weapon secure. Roger, cabinet weapon secure. RTB.
Thank God.
Shotgun arrival.
All right, so once we get on the ground, wholly on the ground, that's when I'm going to give you that thumbs up. When I give you the thumbs up, headsets up, seatbelts off, and then one movement over to that red line. What do you think, dude? Awesome, man. Thank God for the state of Nevada, man. Oh, yeah.
All right, buddy, we're going to come down here. We're going to be in the background of somebody's smoke photo. So I'm going to point the aircraft back to behind us. So the open door will be pointed towards that. Make sure you give a big good wave out there, okay? There you go.
And welcome, sir.
All right, buddy. Thank you so much for coming out with us today.
Thank you guys, man.
Make sure you come back out and see us again. We love our repeat customers.